Before getting started, you'll want to make sure you have these materials on hand. Begin by positioning the motor vertically and remove the motor cover. Then, remove the oil filler cap. Now, with an oil drain pan in position to catch the drained oil, remove the engine oil drain plug and gasket. Then let the engine oil drain. When the oil is finished draining, secure the engine oil drain plug with a new gasket. If you need to change your oil filter, now is the time to do it. To remove the old filter, loosen it by turning counterclockwise. Now, after rubbing a little oil on the O-ring, install the new filter. Using a funnel to prevent spilling, add the recommended amount of X-Star Suzuki Marine engine oil. When finished filling with oil, check the oil level. Then, wait 2 minutes and check it again. When finished filling with oil, re-secure the oil filler cap.